Today, I'm going to ask one question to all. If you are talking in front of customers, whether talking more is good or listening more is good. In my initial days, sales calls, I always used to talk. As soon as I go to customer place, I used to talk about my product features, product advantages, everything. And selling points, whatever I know in my mind, I always used to tell everything. But I did not get much orders in the initial days. But later I realized talking is not good. Customer is not interested to know how much product knowledge you have, how much your product having features or or advantages. Customer is interested to know how much you are going to solve his problems. So for that, listening is very much important. So what we should do, first advantage in listening is customer feel comfort, because when you're listening he feels that you are really concerned, you really care about to know his problems. When you're genuinely listening, he feels the comfort and he will more open up with you. He'll be more transparent in explaining your problem. And number two advantage in listening is you'll be able to uncover his problems. Number three, you'll be able to understand his need exactly. So how you will be able to win the order? Because if you solve his problems, if you're able to give the solutions to his problems, so how you would be able to give the solutions? By listening. The more you listen, the more you will uncover customer problems and more you'll be able to give solutions. The more you give solutions, the more you'll be able to win the orders. So the key important skill is required in selling is listening. And there are two types of listening. One is passive listening, other one is active listening. Passive listening is like if you're in Zoom call with customer or a face to face meeting, if you're looking at here there customer is talking, but if you're looking at here and there, it is a passive listening, you're not really listening. But active listening means it is a eye to eye contact. When it is eye to eye contact, customer feel good that you are really genuinely listening to his problems. So the most important skill is listening. So 80% listening, 20% talking is always good, because without listening, you will not be able to understand customer problems, concerns, needs, anything. So, hope this video is helpful. So, tomorrow onwards, whenever you're talking with customers, always listen. And I know in this pandemic situation, most of us are talking customers over phone. When you're talking customers over phone, the most important skill required is listening. Unless until you listen properly, listen carefully, you will not be able to understand what exactly customers need. So it's very, very important. You should cultivate the skill of listening. If you want more information, I have my sales WhatsApp group. You just send a message in the comment box saying you add me, I will add. Thank you.